Okay, we continue our class day 11 part 2. Today in this class we discuss zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial. See, zero of the polynomial and zero polynomial. Both are the different. In zero polynomial you discuss in previous class if the coefficient is zero. Clear? And zero of the polynomial means we can find a particular value on which this value put in this polynomial, then polynomial be zero. It's called the zero of the polynomial. Then it is a particular value. It is a particular value which put in any polynomial and polynomial be zero. Clear? Then this particular value is called zero of the polynomial, and it is the unique. Suppose you have a polynomial px is equal to ax plus b is a polynomial. Clear? And if you want to find zero of the polynomial, that means what value of x this polynomial be zero. Then you can consider, if you want to find zero of the polynomial, then you consider let px is equal to 0. Clear? The value of px is equal to ax plus b. Then ax plus b is equal to 0. Here a and b are the constant term and x is the variable. Then ax is equal to 0 minus b, ax is equal to minus b, x is equal to minus b upon a. Clear? Here x is equal to minus b upon a particular value on which this polynomial is 0. Check. X is equal to minus b upon a, put in px, then p minus b upon a. Clear? It means on the place of x in this polynomial we can put minus b upon a. Then a minus b upon a plus b. It is a into minus b upon a plus b. Then here a and a both are cutted. It is minus b and plus b. Both are the like term and different sign. That's why it is 0. It means in this polynomial, if you can put x to the power minus b upon a, then we got 0. Then minus b upon a is called zero of the polynomial. Here minus b upon a is a real number. Clear? Minus b upon a is a real number. Then if you want to define zero of the polynomial, then you say it is a real number that put in any polynomial, then polynomial is 0. Clear? It's called the zero of the polynomial. Is that clear? Suppose if you find the zero of the polynomial, then what you can do? you can consider, let suppose in a question example 3x plus 5, sorry, 3x minus 5 is a polynomial. Px is equal to 3x minus 5 and we want to find its zero. Clear? Or we find the zero of the polynomial, or we can find at which value this polynomial be zero, or we find zero of the polynomial. Then what you can do? You consider, let Px is equal to 0, then Px is equal to 3x minus 1. It means 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then 3x 0 plus 5. This 5 goes that side, then sign are changed. 3x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 by 3. Now x is equal to 5 by 3. Put in Px. Clear? X is equal to 5 by 3. Put in Px. Then you see P 5 by 3. Clear? In the same 3, 5 by 3 minus 5, 3 into 5 by 3 minus 5, 3 and 3 both are cutted, 5 minus 5, it is 0. Then here 5 minus 3 is called 0 of the polynomial. 5 minus 3 is called 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Okay. Then after we can find value of a polynomial. Suppose if a question value of polynomial. Suppose you have a question Px is equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Clear? And you can find P1, P2, P minus 3, P minus 4. Then it is called the value of the polynomial. It means what value of this polynomial if you can put on the place of x is equal to 1, if you can put on the place of x is equal to 2, on the place of x is equal to 2. Clear? It is called the value of the polynomial. Then suppose x is equal to 1. Then it is called P1. Then on the place of x you can put 1. It is 1 square plus 5. 1 plus 2. Then 3 into 1 plus 5. Bracket or break. Then it is 3 plus 5 plus 2. 3, 5. 8 and 2, 10. Then value of polynomial Px on the at the 1 is 10. It means if you can put x is equal to 1, this polynomial, then polynomial of value of this polynomial is 10. In the same way you can find x is equal to minus 4. It means on the place of x you can put minus 4. Then what value of this polynomial? Then on the place of x you can put minus 4. Then p minus 4. it is 3 minus 4 square plus 5 minus 4 plus 2. It is 3. You know that minus square is plus and 4 square is 16. Then it is 16 plus 5 into minus 4 plus 2. 16 3 ja 48 and plus into minus 5 4 ja 20 plus 2 and 48 have plus sign. That's why it is a 50 minus 20. It is 30. It means value of this polynomial at minus 4 is equal to 30. Is that clear? Then if you want to define the value of the polynomial, then in any polynomial, if you put any particular value, then what is the value of this polynomial is called the value of the polynomial. Okay? Okay, thank you.